Hello YouTube. If you watch my tractor videos, I'm going to ask you to hit subscribe real quick, or invite you to hit subscribe. And really love having you watching my videos. So this is my 3910 that I use all the time. I've had it for many years. I don't know, 15, 20 years. This is an 8N that's been sitting. It's got the newer generator on it. It's got the old style, I guess the first edition style of distributor. It's a little dark for me to see, but usually this camera shows a lot better than I can see. The light, this camera does really well in this light. So you can see it's been sitting out here. Like I mentioned in the other videos, a couple that own this, great-grandma, great-grandpa of a family, passed away. The estate was tied up for a long time. Got a deer feeder laying down over there. Somebody, friend of the family, has been coming out here and hunting the property. So I'll be one that comes out and fools with this tractor. Let me see video of that. See if it shows up. The coil is cracked right there to the right of the little bale that holds it on. So we know it'll use a coil. And I had an old 8N and I actually just drilled a hole all the way through that coil and hooked an external coil up to it. So a good chance I'll do that on this one, because it costs a lot less and gets your coil out from in front. The battery's going dead, so won't be on it too long. When it shuts off, it shuts off. Got the 4-speed transmission, got the floorboards. 8N should be about a 1948 or newer model. Somewhere 48 to 50, maybe 51. Because the 9N was 39 model. And the 8N was 48 model. So it looks pretty good. Here comes the big tractor down the way. And this is the two of them together. Before the battery goes dead, we might get all three of them in one shot. So, there we go. There's the old Ford, not so old Ford, and the fairly new Ford. That should be a 48, then an 85. I believe they said this one was a 2014. Yeah, 2014. 2014, 1985, and 1948, or something like that. All right. Have a great day. Hit subscribe if you will. Sure love to have you. Invite you to subscribe. And we'll keep putting out some interesting things if we can. Have a great day, YouTube.